Today's the 22nd of October 2017. I'm in Nadashin near Warsaw, Poland. This is a Autoroller 265TL. It's 745 centimeters long. It costs approximately 60,000 euros. And let's have a look inside. Well, as you might have noticed, it's on a Ford basis. Now, Ford has come back this year, 2017. I don't know if it's fair to say it's been away, but there's a lot more vehicles now based on Ford. It's not so much that Fiat has lost its market share. I've got a sneaking suspicion that Fiat may not have been able to keep up with the demand. So anyway, that may be the case, it may not be. Of course, 70% of all motorhomes are based on a Fiat chassis. Now, one thing you can say about the Ford is, though, in the bulkhead it gives a stack of space up here to put all your stuff, your maps and your books and what have you. Right, so we've got a fair amount of space around the table. You've also got a space down there for your legs. Kitchen, you've got the coffee maker. Doesn't come with it, although it does obviously with a trade fair, and we want to do coffee for the people who come here. Standard Dometic 3-burner sink, little bit of prep space there. Of course, you prep at the table, and coming here we can see the bed, which access from both sides. I like the lighting down there. I think that looks pretty good, the indirect lighting. And we can also see we've got access from outside as well. Would you want that, or wouldn't you want that? You mightn't want that because you get all the dirt and what have you sort of flying onto your bed. On the other hand, there could be reasons why you need access from this side, so that's a matter of choice. Hanging space either side of the bed. Toilet. It's got a sensible sliding door, and here we have the shower. Now, I like that shower. I like somewhere to sit down when I'm in the shower, so I get my feet clean. My mother needs to use a place to sit down. She's got a chair in her shower, and that's obviously because of the difficulty she now has using them. So, but I mean, as we have vans for older people, I think that's a very good thing to actually put in there. And you've got a sensible thing up there. Get your coats dry and what have you when you've been out in the rain. Alternatively, you might leave somewhere to leave your socks. This thing here, to close it, looks a bit on the weak side. I don't know how long that would stay on. No, I won't force. I'm a bit frightened of breaking the thing. Right, so here we have the bed. This comes up and you can see what's under it. So you've got your storage down there, and lift the whole thing up and you can see into the garage from here. I think I'd want to put on some kind of a back, if that were mine, from the bed. So there's other people now here, but one thing I might have missed is the bed up there. Now, it's a good job I missed it, because I'm not a big fan of having headroom taking it away from me. But in this case, I didn't have any headroom taken away from me. If you're taller than me, it might be a problem. But as I walk through here now, I can say that there's about, 182 centimeters of headroom. That is a guess. But not only that, there's also a bit of space up there, so you could potentially leave, or at least you could leave the sheet on there anyway. Maybe you'd have to take the cover off. But stick that on the other bed during the day, should that be needed for more people. Well, I think that this van here, of the two I've seen on this stand, is by far the better one. Because the one which is next to it, the Illusion, I didn't rate that one at all. And in the words of the song, it's just an illusion. But this is just an Autoroller, and in my opinion, it's far better. Should you want to rent one in Poland, for example, in southern Poland, you have the telephone number, and Bielsko-Biała. I shall be there next week. Last year, actually, at a demonstration, I was the third person to speak in Bielsko-Biała on the 4th of June 2016, so I was quite pleased with that, particularly as the two people who spoke before me were quite famous people. Anyway, that was a political demonstration, so nothing to do with camper vans. So if you want to see any more of my material, please subscribe to my channel, and you can see more there.